Hello, this is another Tell-a-Friend video, this time again on the Corona series. Now, is an open discussion possible between, I would call here, freedom fighters or freedom supporters? So the free and the safe, so we have these two groups. So people that are more for freedom and people that are more for safety. And now, if they, here it says, is an open discussion possible between the two? So that means, can they talk without fighting? And now the thing is, no, they cannot. And why? Because their argumentation is asymmetric. I think it's asymmetric. Asymmetric. Why? Because the free says, I have no problem if we wear a mask. You can wear a mask. I will not wear a mask. And the safe guy says, no, then you kill me. You kill. This is life-threatening. Yeah? So I do not accept that you don't wear a mask. And now this is exactly the same if you have a smoker. Let's say he's a smoker. Poof, poof, poof. He's a smoker. And now the thing is, the smoker could now say, look, I'm okay that you do not smoke. So that is why you have to allow me to smoke. And that is the same reasoning. Now, obviously, the freedom fighter says, look, your thought, your belief that I, without a mask, kill you or kill your grandmother or the health system collapses, that is not true. That is only in your reality. Yeah, so there is the reality of the safe and there's the reality of the free. Yeah, so these two, and nobody is allowed to judge the two. There is no, he can think in his reality and he can think in his reality. So I have to understand that I can understand him, that he says you must wear a mask. You have to obey to all these rules because otherwise you kill. And now the thing is, that is what I also want to do by going again on the three brain model. Now, it does not matter that the killing, so what usually is said, you kill the old, the elderly, and the health system, may collide. Now, it does not matter that every year, X% of the elderly, of the weak, of the ill and with preconditions die. That does not matter. He says they are dying, that is, and he doesn't want to, compare this. He has an emotional decision, and it's an emotional decision. So the stomach is, so if your stomach or emotions have an unreliable IQ. Yeah, that is, if you kind of put it in some easy words, the stomach or the emotions have an unreliable IQ, or the health system collapses. That is the probability is maybe to win 2 times the lottery with the same numbers, or with one draw, or one tip. But still, this person in his reality will say the health system may collide and then hundreds of thousands of people die. And by the way, you kill a lot of the old people and that's not nice. And therefore with my reality, I want you to wear a mask and to do all the measures. So that means is there an open discussion? No, there is no. Until this reality is that, and this depends now, is this reality bent? Is this reality bent? I don't know. I have a tendency, but am I allowed here to judge between those two realities? They are free, he's the free and he's the safe, but they have both the same weight, and so his reality is the same as his reality, and therefore there is no open discussion, and so there is no de-escalation. So that's my kind of my take, and I have seen this in many discussions. They are being done very emotionally. They are being, so that is in general what I noticed is that these guys, they get really angry. They get really berserk. They really want to. It's almost they want to kill you. They get really furious. And this one is relatively relaxed. Please don't, and but this one is really, because his life is threatened in his reality. He's in the situation, and therefore I think there is no open discussion and there's no de-escalation possible until question mark. I do not know how this whole Corona thing will end. It remains exciting. Thank you very much for listening. Bye bye.